Dear students, how are you? I hope all are well. Alhamdulillah, I am also well. At first, introduce myself. I am Mohammad Zakir Hussain, Assistant Teacher, Department of Mathematics, Mohammadpur Preparatory School and College. Now, today's lesson, Elementary Maths book, page number 73. Already we complete up to 9. Now, today we discuss and solve question number 10, 1 to 3. Now, open your book at page number 73, Elementary Maths book. Now, write down. At first, write down the date. Today is 28th July. Elementary math books, write down in short form. Now page 73. Question number 10.1. Read the question. There are 10 mangoes in a basket. How many mangoes are there in 5 baskets? Again. There are 10 mangoes in a basket. How many baskets there are in 5 baskets? Now, write down. In one basket, there are 10 mangoes. Now listen, how many mangoes in a basket? 10 mangoes. Now the given question, how many mangoes in such that 5 baskets? Therefore, in 5 baskets, there are 10 multiply 5 mangoes. Now why multiply here? Since number of baskets are increased, so number of mangoes will be increased. Since number of baskets increase, so number of mangoes increase. And in this case, we multiply 10 by 5. Now, show the graph. 10 multiply by 5. 10 multiply by 5. Now timetable of 5. 5 zeros are 0. Then 5 ones are 5. We get 50. Give the equal sign. Write down 50 mangoes. And this is the result. Now we get the result. Answer 50 mangoes. Done. Now we go to the second question. A man bought 10 mangoes and distributed equally among 5 children. Equally. How many mangoes did each child get? At first, how many mangoes? There are 10 mangoes. How many children? 5 children. A man bought 10 mangoes and distributed equally among 5 children. How many mangoes did each child get? Each child, that means one child. How many mangoes get one child? Now, I erase the solution number 1. Now, 2 number question. 10, 2. It's the reverse of 1. One number, there multiply, and here division. Now write down 5 children get 10 mangoes. Therefore, one child. Why one? Because in the question, each child get. That means is equal 1. One child get 10 divided by 5 mangoes. Now, at first, for the rough part, rough 10 divided by 5. Here in the divisor 5 and it is 1 digit, and in the dividend 1 digit is 1. Since divisor is less than dividend, so it take next digit up to next digit, that is up to 2 digits. 2 digit is 10. Now you read the timetable of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10 and write down 10. Then we subtract 10 from 10. We subtract 10 from 10. 0 here, 0. Not given, cross sign here. Now, finally we get the result is 2. Quotient is 2. So write down 2. 2 mangoes. Now write down the answer. 2 mangoes. Now read the next question. Question number 3. There are 24 students in a classroom. If 4 students sit on one bench, how many benches will be necessary? Suppose in your classroom you are 24 students and each bench you sit 4 students. Then how many benches will be needed? Now I erase the solution of question number 2. Three numbers. Now write down question 3. Here total number of students 24, and there is a condition 4 students sit on one bench. That means for 4 students need one bench. Therefore, for 4 students need one bench. Therefore, for 24 students need 24 divided by 4. Why divided by 4? Because in one bench there are 4 students sit on one bench. Now, rough part 24 divided by 4. Here one digit is 4 and one digit is 2. Since 4 is less than 2, so it takes up to 2 digits. That is 24. Now we read the timetable of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. 4 5 jar 20 and 4 6 jar 24. Now 4 6 jar 24. Now subtract here 0 and quotient is 6, that is the result is 6. Give equal sign, 6 benches. Now answer 6. Now listen to me, and this is the last class of before Eid ul Adha. Now stay safe at your home. Thank you all.